Hey guys, so we're here at Dandenong right now, Mount Dandenong. That is, we're gonna hike. We're gonna do a quick trek. We're supposed to again. Hey guys, we're on Mount Dandenong right now. We're going on a hike, and as you can see, look at the view. Look at that view. There's Laura. Lovely day today. So yeah, we're still on isolation. We're still, are we in lockdown? Not anymore, right? How do you call it? Oh yeah, we're still in lockdown, and it's been eased. We can go out. We can go out in groups, unlike before that we have to stay at home. And hiking is allowed, so that's why we're here. We're hiking. So how are you guys going? Yeah, this place is so nice. I walked here the last time, and I saw some deer and yeah, some animals, but it was getting dark, so I had to go home. Anyway, we're just gonna hike for now, and I'll show you whatever I can see. Anything though.
Tanong tag mga ano nito. Magtubo kayo sa ato, me?
We've been hiking for hours already, and we're so tired. We're heading up this uphill battle of the trail. No, actually it's around 10 minutes. But yeah. So we just saw that house there. Has their own construction stuff, yeah. Look at that house. Oh, nice.
Own windmill.
Yeah. Downhill. Downhill. Look at that. Nice house. Okay, I'm starting to smell the wet grass right now. Like, it's a bit of mud, wet grass. Reminds me of when I'm going to the province. Like, yeah, it's quite muddy there, and you can smell the wet grass, especially in the morning. So yeah, that's a nice smell. Oh, look at that house, big. I'll show you. Look at that house, mate. Okay, today's a good day for me to go out because I've been really stressed at home. I have a lot of things to finish in uni, and yeah, walking out here is such how I don't know. It's like, I don't know how to say it. So we're still on lockdown, but it's some restrictions are lifted. So right now we're able to go out and hike. So we're out here in Dandenong. We're hiking with Laura, and we just came across this house here. So nice. I tried to show you, but yeah, it's like my lens is wide. I can't show you, but anyway, it's nice that we're out here. We're able to hike because I can refresh myself. I can It's like meditation to me when I hike. So yeah, nice thing.
Nasa middle sa mga kahoy.
How are you going, Laura? Looks easy, but that's uphill. Uphill. Damn. Gusto yung plano, Lor? Kumari na si Suitang. Muli ta.
Stress na.
Check out the has been controlled burning around here. Yeah. So the new normal, when you go to a shop, it says 3 people allowed inside only. So that's it. That's how it is. So after the quick hike, we went to Woolies to do some shopping. And yeah, that was our day. Just simple. It's nice that we're able to come out of the house. For me, well, it was really nice. But yeah, I need to turn off the lights here. I need to turn off the lights down there. I don't know. Anyway, yeah. After groceries, you have to clean up the grocery and get stressful, tired. So I'm gonna finish cleaning it up later. Done with the shower, and I'm on the computer.